everyone, my name is Susannah and this is Terry. And this is the first of several videos that we're going to be doing this summer of some literary inspired adventures. Our first adventure today is going to be an adventure in cooking. We're going to make some flatbread inspired by pita bread, inspired by the bread found in the Hunger Games books. And to celebrate
the release of the new prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. And it's really good so far. I highly recommend it.
Yes, my copy is yet to come, but Terry read...
I read way too much in one night, so...
Yes, so she's almost finished, so no spoilers, but we should be done soon. So we have limited manpower because of quarantine. So as a journalism student, I'm going to go hop behind the camera, but Terry is going to walk us through the first few steps of bread making. And please give us some grace and mercy. Neither of us are bread makers.
I've never made bread before, so...
And I'm gluten-free, so this should be fun. So...
Alright, this is 2 cups of flour. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I almost said baking powder, that's not correct. Right, and then we're going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt, it's very capital-esque, and it's also just a fun touch. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. There it goes. Mix it really well, because according to the instructions, that'll give you a flaky flatbread. The flakiness of the flatbread reminds me of a certain character. Gail's pretty flaky. I'm Team Pita all the way, just throwing that out there. That's 3/4 of a cup of water. All right. And as I pour, I'm going to kind of stir just a little bit to keep it going around the bowl. And this is when you're going to want to get your hands messy because the dough is going to stick to whatever you're stirring it with. Remember to wash your hands. It's very important. You can use this time to catch up on your reading.
Or you can use it to reminisce about your first experience with the Hunger Games. Terry and I had a very fun adventure in middle school.
In 8th grade.
Yes.
The movies had just come out, probably. The first movie, the Hunger Games movie, had just come out. And you would...
Sure. Our middle school principals decided that it would be great for everyone to bond over learning this new cheer. Like a class
for a
cheer.
pep rally. It was
for a pep rally. And one guy, Bennett Bowden, if you're watching, we love you, started before GroupMe, before Facebook Messenger, everything. He started a text chain. So everyone with their cute little slide phones received a text from Bennett or another one of their friends saying, we are not doing the cheer, we're going to do...
Gonna rebel.
Yes.
Gonna do the 3-finger salute thing from the Hunger Games.
So in the sweaty, gross middle school gym, like the 6th grade went, the 7th grade went, and then the 8th grade went, and instead of doing like, we love BMS, we did this.
And all of us were silent, and the teachers' faces were hilarious. They were like, what?
Yeah, the principal was justly annoyed, but some of the teachers were actually okay with it.
I think it was Miss Thigpen. Hello, Miss Thigpen. You're probably not watching, but if you are, hello. She was like kind of mad at us for it, but also kind of amused. So we didn't really get in trouble in any way.
Mr. Petrie was my study hall teacher and my English teacher. He was like the one cool teacher at the middle school. He had posters and memes up in his room right when memes were becoming cool. And Mr. Petrie, we filed back into his study hall and he was like, you guys rocked it. That was pretty cool. So that was...
Yeah, that was really interesting. You're going to sprinkle some flour onto wherever you're going to knead your dough. This is just to make sure it doesn't stick to whatever surface. We are using parchment paper, but flour will help the stickiness. So, and you're just going to knead it for about a minute not really sure about the art of kneading dough, but I think it's just folding it and then pressing it and repeating. Alright, so after you've kneaded it for about a minute or so, you're going to divide the dough into 6 to 8 portions, depending on how many pieces of bread you want. So, and then place it down, and then you're going to roll it out into about a 6 to 8 inch disc. Now I've rolled out about 3. This recipe makes about 7 or 8, but we're just going to do 3 for now. And you're going to roll them out, put them on parchment paper and on top of a cookie sheet, and we're going to go put them in the oven. Real quick note, I've been touching my phone, you might have seen that. I sanitized my phone beforehand so I could look at the recipe, so don't worry, things are clean. Alright, so we're going to put these in our oven. So now after about 3 minutes, you're going to pull them out of the oven. And then you're going to flip them. I'm just going to do this really fast. It's not too hot. And then you're going to baste some butter, melted butter, over them. This will give it some flavor and a little bit of a shine. Take them out. Sizzle. Time for a taste test. Really excited. Pretty good. And here you have your perfectly flat flatbread. You can pair it with some hummus or guacamole or anything, or just eat it by itself.
So thanks for watching. You can find the recipe that we use in the comments down below.
And may the odds be ever in your favor.